Okay, so this is 2001 versus 2026 lip combo. That, you know, lip gloss, you can use any type of lip gloss. This one's not for me. My reacts, yes, it has been so long for us to do a TikTok makeup trend. Don't worry, I am back and I'm willing to do all the makeup hacks that is going viral at this moment right now by your favorite content creators. So if this is your first time here, please subscribe to Modest Transformation by Celeste. That's Moa. And y'all ready? Let's get into it. Okay, so the first one, she's using some tape, Q-tips, and she have her wing and some glitter and mascara, and that's it. So let's do this look right away. I'm using some tape. I don't have that type of makeup tape, but hey, we're gonna make this work. Okay. I don't even know how much tape I have, so I better start saving up on buying me some more tape, but okay. I'm gonna do across here. So I have my makeup palette, my Q-tip, and I am going to do this color here. And I'm going to do, I think I'm gonna do a little teal, make it a little fun. And let's see, I don't know. Maybe this one don't work for me. I don't think this is for me. Let's go to the next one. Next one is going to be the brass lips. So let's look. Okay, lift up, bring the line, circle, circle, fill it in. Oh, concealer. Okay, I think we can do this. Okay, here we go. I'm so scared, you guys. I am scared. Did I nail this? I don't know, y'all. I don't think I nailed this either. The brass. I don't think that's for me either. I naturally have big lips. I tried. Well, let's go to the next one. So the next one we're going to do is called the 53 Contour Makeup Hack. Sorry. So she's doing her number 3. She's doing her dots of number 5. She's putting it all together. Then she's just going to blend it in. And I am impressed. So let's try to do this trend. So I don't have a contour. I never believed in doing contour. That's just not my specialty. I'm going to use my Misha. I'm using the color 41 medium tan, and I'm using 45 deep mocha. So I'm just going to do a little squirt here and there. So let me see. She's doing it here, here, and here. I know my 3 look ugly, so don't judge me. And I'm doing number 5. I know it's ugly. Don't judge me. Okay, so I'm going to blend it in. I know it's dark, but this is the only thing I have. And I'm going to blend that together. Okay. Not bad at all. Then now this technique works. You know, you just add a little bit more lightness, but this technique works. I look like a Barbie doll. I like this. Okay. I did that. Now this is the final hack that I can do. This is a good one.
Did you know that if you take an angled eyeliner brush, pick up some black eyeshadow, and stamp it onto the outer corner of your eye, connect that to your lash line, and flick out the tail end, pick up some more and stamp it on your inner corner, it gives you the easiest and most subtle winged eyeliner.
I don't have an angle brush, but I'm going to work what I have. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use my Nicka K eyeshadow palette. So I do have a little black. So I'm going to stamp it there. And she went across. I have to clean it up a little bit. Like I said, I don't have an angle brush real flat like hers. But I'm going to do it again. Oh, it's kind of dark. That's a little bit. Okay. All right. Well, it do work. You just have to have a flatter brush, but I do like that technique. And you can bring it all the way in, and you're just using some eyeshadow. You don't have to use liquid eyeliner. You can use just the eyeshadow. So I think I like this technique too. So let's get to the next one. Okay, this is a 1 minute button nose contour. Okay, let's do it. Don't have contour, so the only thing I can use is a brown pencil that I have. So she started with a circle here, and she went across here. Don't make fun of me. I'm just gonna use my fingers. And I am going to rub it in. I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer. I'm just going to take my pinky. What you guys think? This is the last. I know I don't need it on my nose, but this is something that the trend has been going about, this nose contour. Excuse me, guys. I think I did the best that I could, to be honest with you. I am not going to stress myself out. This was so fun. I did 6 makeup hacks. I just wanted to keep it very short and sweet for you guys. And I don't know which one is my favorite. I think the third one would probably be the 53 contour. That was the best one that looked good on my skin and did good for the first taping. So everything else. But comment, what was your favorite makeup hack that I did in this video? Please comment down below if you guys want to see a part 2. Don't forget to get this video up to 100 views. And comment down below what you guys would like to see me to do next, and I can insert it into the second video. So don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe at Modest Transformation by Celeste. And I do have another YouTube channel, Celeste Reacts. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.